Number 3, the quotient of a power. The quotient of a power is an extension of the negative exponent rule, which means x to negative 2 is the same thing as 1 over x to the second power. All we did here was move that variable down and we changed the exponent into a positive. Also, as well as if it's on the bottom, like say x to the 2, which is on bottom, now it can go to the top and become x to the negative 2 power. So all it is saying is that you can move the variable up and down the fraction bar, but the exponents will change signs. So here we have x to the 8 and x to the 2. I want my x's together, so I'm going to bring this up. The reason why I bring it up, the x2 becomes now an x over x to the negative 2 because I brought it up to the fraction bar. The reason why I can do that is because now those x's are together, so I can combine those exponents. So it is 8 plus negative 2. That's going to get me x to the 6. B, same process, but now there are some variables in front. So I'm going to split them. 5 over 15 times x to the third over x to the negative 2. I do not like that negative exponent on the bottom, so what I'm going to do is going to bring it to the top. This now becomes x to the third times x to the 2. Then let me bring down the 5 over 15. Okay, 5 over 15 simplifies to 1 over 3 times x3 plus, I'm going to add the 2 here. So I get the final answer of x to the 5th divided by 3. Then let's see C. Same process. I split the coefficients or the numbers, negative 45 over 15. Then I have the variables by itself, x to the third, x squared on bottom, and x to the 7. X squared and x7, what we can do here is we can add the exponents. So it is 2 plus 7 on the bottom. That 2 plus 7 on the bottom becomes an x to the 9. Okay, I bring everything else down. Now, I do not like the, I want to combine the exponent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this one down. The reason why is because it has a smaller exponent. So the x to the 9 is still on the bottom. Now it's x to the minus 3. The reason why is because on top it was x positive 3. Okay, and let me bring down that negative 45 over 15 as well. That negative 5 over 15 becomes a negative 3 over 1. Okay, then we can combine the like terms. We have a 9 and a negative 3. We're going to add. This is going to get us a negative 3. On top and on bottom, it's x to the 6. All right, there you go. That would be the final answer.